What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this LBX Premium that we have right in front of me right here. I love the color of this car, guys. Just check it out, man. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now the color of this is called Bi-Tone Sonic Copper. I mean, like, damn. Of course it looks like copper. But I love how the word Sonic is right in front. Now it looks really attractive if you're here. Very curvy, very, how to say this, edgy at the same time because of the lights and things like that, right? But yeah, very sleek design. Now let's take a closer look at what we are actually looking at. The lights are located right here. Daytime running light should be this, your main light should be that, your turn indicators should also be integrated into that light. You got this beautiful bottom bumper lip that we have right here, some chrome happening over there, Lexus badging on the top right here. Check out the boot, the front hood, I mean, sorry. You got these lines that we have over there, you got some lines happening over here. So you see with the light, right, it has that very nice angular design, even though it's a curvy car. You get what I mean? So bottom here, this grayed out grille, you got some finishing that matches the bottom here. Amazing, right? I love how this finish goes from there to there. This car is quite futuristic and curvy. This is what I like personally about it. Amazing, man. Now sensors all over the bumper. You got this opening right here, which is not really an opening, but it has that aggressive look, like as if it is an opening. So yeah, LBX Premium. Check out the wheels. You got this arch here in this matte black. You got these 17-inch wheels that we have right here. So it's 215/60 out of 17. Amazing wheels, solid disc brake. You got these sort of like a grey wheel design. I like that. Your mirrors are in black, blends in really well with the roof, even though it's a copper color, right? So Sonic Bi-Tone copper, but check out black at the top. You got the black in the center, you got some chrome happening over there, and you got black mirrors, even though the body of the car is actually different. I love how half of the car on top looks dark. Cool. Bottom piece right here, also in this matte black finish. Now the doors, let's press, open, and then take a look at the side of the door. It's so beautiful trim that we have right here. Amazing chrome over here. Got some red stitchings happening over here as well, all the way down. Finishing of leather, very nice. You got these textures right here, lock, unlock, opening up of the windows, holding of the doors, opening up of the electronically for the doors. And also you get your compartment storage right here. Amazing layout. Lexus wording at the door, side plates, Lexus word at the carpet. So yeah, you got these copper color again. Let's jump on in. Before that, red stitching with the black. Very sporty for the premium spec. Now let's have a seat comfortably. Now these seats are manually adjustable, and I believe the lever should be down here. Cool, very nice. Textured for the dashboard. You got these fan adjustments right here, fan adjustments right there, and also there. Red stitching. Glove compartment. I'm not sure how you open this, but cool. There we go. Nice lock to lock the glove compartment. But yeah, this is me sitting in the passenger seat. Amazing, cool. Seat belts are also in black. And let's check out the center screen that we have right here. Let's press on that, see whether it turns on. If not, then I believe the car should be started. But nevertheless, you got some NFC charging of your phone happening down here. Slight grippy storage over here. Hazard lights will turn on later. Type-C charging. And also you got your cup holder together with some other small stuff, perhaps your phone, you can stick it in, you know. And auto hold, parking brake, gear. You also got this drive, reverse, and also B. And also EV mode. And you got your eco mode. Cool, man. You got your traction control. You got these. Check it out how it slides and opens back, man. I mean, like, it's different, right? So you got your other stuff happening right around here, compartment storage, and yeah, very nice. Push it back down, and also you can slide it forward. Amazing. So let's jump down to the rear doors. Now before we get right into the rear compartment, you can check out the wheels that we have right here. Now 215/60 R17. So these are the rear wheels that we have, solid disc, amazing. This grey-like design for the bumper. The wheel. Oh yeah, petrol cap, keep forgetting. So I got to open up from that side, but in this case, let me move that seat a little bit forward, make sure it's comfortable in me sitting down. Here at the front, as you can see, comfortably, right? Cool. Now let's move to the rear. Check that out. These are how the rear looks like. So speakers are located right here, and door unlocking together with the windows, handle to hold, button to press. But let's have a seat on the rear part. So this is me sitting right here. Check out the center. It's beautiful. Now space is still there. This is because I adjusted the front seat comfortably to how I were to sit in front. But yeah, check it out. Seat belts are also in this color. Now let's move to the, okay, this you can't fold down, but yeah, let's move to the center that we have right here. So this is me sitting down comfortably. Cool. Headroom is good. Nice. Let's move open the doors on this side. So let's get down, and before that, you have your charging type C happening down here. Check it out. Close that. Close that again. Amazing layout. So check comfortably. The front driver's seat, somebody moved it too much to the back, but nevertheless, we will have a look at that shortly. But check this out. The lighting that we have, how it goes up and then goes back down. So awesomely looking with the sonic bitone copper, right? So Lexus wording in chrome, LBX wording on your right. Let me see if I can open up the boot. Cool, man. So button to press to open up. You have this happening right here for your rear. You can fold down the seats if you wish to, but let's give it a shot to see how would that look like. Folding down the rear seats. Check it out. Beautiful. Let's do that again. Amazing. Amazing storage. Now you can get rid of this if you wish to, so that you can store a little bit more higher boxes on the inside. But yeah, looks quite nice. Looks really nice indeed. Space is huge, guys, huge. So cool. Now the rear, you also get these cuts, same like with the front, matte finish for the rear. Amazing. Now let's move to the driver's side, and let's electronically move the seats forward. So in this driver's seat is electronic, but the rest of it is basically all in manual. But yeah, let's move to the driver's side of things. Cool. Now you have your window adjustments right here. Child lock for the windows. Lock unlock, you also get your left and right adjustments for the mirror. You got your folding, auto. Compartment storage down here. You have your button to open up the doors. You got to press it in. Handle to hold. You got your red stitching all over the car that we have. This beautiful texture with this chrome. Amazing design. Now the steering wheel is very, very nice and comfortable to hold. Yeah, amazing. You got your wipers that we have on the left side right here. You also got your right side here, turn indicators, which we will turn on the light shortly to show you. But cruise control, lane keeping assist is all available, different modes. Yeah, the distance between you and the front car. Yeah, you can choose from here, this side right here, volume up, volume down, voice over control, I believe to control this screen perhaps. And memory seats are available, brightness to adjust the main screen up here. Odometer trip, you got your petrol cap to open, closing of the boot. Let's try and do that, shall we? So as you can see, the boot is closing right now. Amazing design. So this is me sitting comfortably in the driver's seat, as you can see. Now we are here now. It's cool. Amazing. So again, I mentioned compartment storage all over the place, gears, screen angling towards the driver, very nice. Start stop button over here, frameless mirrors that we're looking up here. You got a nice slot to slot your cards on the inside here, very nice. You got these happening right there, very nice. Oops, let's close that back first. Cool. Other ones that we have right there as well, amazing, right? And yeah, cool. Now let's turn on the front lights, guys, to show you how it actually looks like. But before that, paddles that we have are in black, so very nice looking design. So side mirrors are in black, very cool, sleek looking appearance. But yeah, check it out. This looks absolutely beautiful with the lights on. Now they are not connected from left to right, but take a look at how sharp it looks here, and then how sharp it looks over there and also here. So very, very futuristic, edgy, at the same time elegant. So let's take a look at the back. We got some curve-like design for the rear. I like how it connects from the left to the right. See how it just moves, right? Beautiful touch. Now let's turn on the main headlights to show you guys. One more step up. So this is how the main headlights actually look. They are at the bottom of that. Looks like an eye. Looks really nice, guys. Looks really, really nice. Beautiful. I love this. Love how this thing looks. The color maybe pops it out, but yeah, we can take a look at other colors in the future. But the rear, right? Now turn on the hazard lights. Let's go. Jump to the front. The indicators are from the whole mirror, no longer just the side, it's the whole. Very nice touch. I like that a lot. Now notice how the daytime running lights now have gone away and the signal light has overtaken that. That is nice. That is really nice. Now let's move to the rear. What do we see right here? So signal lights are here on the left and the right. So it's beautiful in a way, different design a little bit, but yeah, check it out. Lexus badging, chrome. The lights are awesome, guys. So yeah, so that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lexus cars, do head down to Subang Jaya, where you can meet up with Nicole to find out more about Lexus cars and many more other models that they have right here. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.